Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to channel of one of our video. So,
Mama,
nous lever depuis à 7h du matin. Me disais comme ça, on va le travail à 8h. Dem qu'est-ce que nous Simon. On va travailler à 12h30. Et then dit comment c'est pas chez Kounya nous passer nous acheter McDonald's pour nous faire les parce que dit pas travailler même à 9h. Par contre, je vais retourner back là ou bien je vais acheter là. Je peux dormir parce que ça client nous a vraiment dormi. I'm saying that you're mad because I made you wake up early. And then I was like, Fevit, my boy, let's go, I'm gonna be late. You sleepy? You don't make a video with me? Why not? So please I video sa pour tout le monde qui appelle moi dem oh est-ce que c'est qu'on fâché? Yes. People keep asking me, do you get mad sometimes?
Me?
Yeah. Yeah, please Fevit and Ale, do you get mad sometimes? Bro, when Z's mad, bro, like Bombano story or Leslie. I'm gonna tell y'all one day Z was mad, right? So I was playing with Z on the bed, and then I was like, you, and I'm not playing about this one. Come here with your face. C'est déprimé. C'est que t'as mis si fatigué. Non, playing about this. C'est souple, Simon. Konya la Z. How many slaps did I give you?
You gave me too many.
No, how many? I think it was like 2.
It was like 4 of them, bro. Because I told you to stop twice.
Yeah?
Yeah, you hit me, and then you hit me again, and I told you to stop.
By Zion color. Miss, we was playing though.
No, I wasn't playing.
By Zion to soufflet. And then, what were you telling me? Why was I slapping you?
I don't know.
What you mean? You had to tell me something.
I don't know. I was just chilling, bro.
So, no couché soli ba sa. I'm about to supplant. And then she was like, don't fucking slap me. Yo, I froze like I'm commencé trembler, like I was shaking. Et puis me lever sous lit tout doucement. M'aller l'autre sous l'autre bord cabane, and I lay down on the other side of the bed. M'coucher. And then Z was like, you mad? You don't get to smile. Z a been mad moi est-ce qu'on fâché ou fâché? I'm like, no, I'm okay. Yeah, so Bevel took me to fâché, and then he was like, oh no, you don't get to be mad. You were slapping me. I told you to stop slapping me. He's so mad à fâché parce que il était dit que ça pour me suspendre bal soufflet by ça. Kounya la, m'dit comme ça, m'pas droit jouer avant encore, m'pas droit lever mes sous encore. Remember when I told you I would never slap you anymore? Until that day, I don't slap him.
You just slapped me a couple times in the video.
Hi, babe. Oh, babe. So, ouais, je dis, moi, quand cette vidéo, ça va me monter nous les fâchés. Parce que c'est qu'on fâche tout, pour tout le monde qui dit ça, est-ce que c'est qu'on fâche? C'est là, qu'est-ce qu'on fâche en bas? Everybody's asking me who got mad faster, who got, you see right now, I'm smiling, I'm laughing. He's mad.
I showed up to work about 2 hours early.
I showed up to work about 5 hours early.
Well, that's your fault.
I know. Really? Because I've been travailler this at the 2 hours and 5 hours. Which one is more?
Well,
This
whose fault is it, though? Whose fault is it, though?
long. I didn't do it on purpose. You thought I did it on purpose?
No, but it's different though.
And?
Because you were mentally prepared to wake up at that time.
I wasn't prepared, men. Si tim ko sa mte prepare pou mte leve a 8 h. Mbal prepare mte leve a 8 h, papa. I was sleeping and then you asked me, dormi te nan jem, li mande ma ki lem pral travay demen. Mbat sonje. Mdi a 8 h, you asked me and I'm like at 8 because I thought I was gonna go at 8. So, yeah, vavin fache sou mwen la. Give me a kissy, baby. Give it a kissy, baby. Give me a kissy. You fache, but wait till the mood fache. I have to take you out of this mood, baby. I have to take you out of this mood. Come here. You need a hug. Come here. Hug time. Hug time. Come on, kiss this. Well, as I have the first video sa pou nou maten yon ti moun e pa yon se yem denye pou mde di nou. So, ma fè nou konen ke mge te komanse recevoir 2-3 mesaj sou Instagram, sou pou ko follow m sou Instagram, follow m sou Instagram. Zi, what's your Instagram? Cause, what's the name on your Instagram?
See, that's you.
Okay, Instagram zi a se zi that's you. Mbwel mette lan ba la, si nou vle nou kapab follow zi sou Instagram tou edel grandi Instagram li yan, ok? Paske zi pa gran pil moun sou Instagram, just edel zi grandi Instagram li yan. So, yeah, Timon, se ti video sa tou kout pwede nou ashin am di why not bon mwen kodon ti video.
Do you hear music?
No, man.
You still have Jaja's phone in here?
Oh, I still have Jaja's phone in here. Jaja gonna die. I still have Jaja's phone in here. Telefon Jaja nou kebe paske Jaja ete nan telefon nan to. Ti kouzin mwen. So, yeah. Mgen moun ki ketan komanse voye mesaj bon mwen, mgen moun ki ketan voye problem yo bon mwen pou m kapab ede yo, pou m kapab fè video, pou mwen de konsey pou yo. So, ma pren 2 chak semen, jom di nou an, ma pren 2 chak semen. So, pa neglije voye problem yo pou mwen nan relasyon, plus relasyon. And then, ma fè li anonim, menm som te di an, ma fè li anonim, ma mette li, and then ma pat mette nou la dan, map just explike storyan pou moun yo bay konsey, ok? And then pabliye pase sou mizarlinboutique.com pou nou pren baka panou sou Mizarlin Boutique, ok? Supporte Mizarlin, si nou ba supporte mti moun bagay, moun kap supporte, même si se on bagay ou pran, ou bien 2 bagay ou pran, pou koun ya sou achete pou plus ke $75, and then nou ka still toujou ekrim sou Instagram. So achete pou $75 ti moun, wap gen 2 Mizarlin lip gloss ou bien 1 Mizarlin lip gloss ou bien bagay pou men nan cheveux, whatever it is, like map degajen pou meton on bagay nan package lan pou nou, okay? And babe, you wanna say bye? Oh, zi deprime. You look sad. Are you sad, babe? You don't love me no more. Stop down! I was crying. You that tight. Male, zi.
Didn't you say bye already?
I did, but Male, we want to work on a new video, okay? Bye-bye.